What's up, Matt Rodriguez here, aka mattrvisual, aka one half of Silent Capture Photo. We're here at Village Club of Sands Point to do a collab styled shoot here, wedding themed obviously. We're doing it under the Silent Capture Photo brand. We have hair and makeup here as well. We're going to be featuring them throughout the vlog / BTS. I also have Jake behind the camera capturing today's events as they unfold. Just give you a glimpse behind the scenes of how we work, and you know, just the beautiful, beautiful scenery in the rooms here. Gorgeous. But come take a look.
Trying to get some foreground.
You know, I'm trying to cut Matt out with the corner. It's not working. Got long arms.
And now we're on the move, heading back downstairs. You never know where the shoot is gonna take you, you know what I mean? When you're just a video guy, you're pretty much background noise half the time in these kinds of shoots, unless it's a strictly video shoot. But I'm okay with that, because I work with what I got, and I'm still having a lot of fun. And let's go troll Jenna some more.
Kind of like really classic.
And of course, I have to shift and change my lenses, because when you're shooting with Jenna, you gotta stay versatile. You have to stay flexible. Oh, hey, baby. What's going on? Come here. You have to stay versatile, just generally speaking. Also, balancing your gimbal. You can calibrate this without using the app. So you can calibrate it by holding the trigger and the M button for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like a long 4 seconds. There you go. Yeah, now it's calibrating. Super slick, huh? So usually I come into a room and I just look around, right? See what's cool, what stands out to me. Right now it has really cool string lights. These little trimming around the doorways. I don't know what that's exactly called, but it looks great. Kind of reminds me of Morocco, similar style.